Welcome back to more Math with Miss Wimmer. Today, I can write and solve problems that involve scale drawings. Again, I hope you hear that and think, what is she talking about? Because that's the exact reason that you came today. So, a scale drawing. An enlarged or a reduced drawing that is similar to the actual object or place. You might need to pause to write, and that's okay. You might see the picture of this map. A map is a very, very good example of a scale drawing. Obviously, when you're looking at the map, that's not the actual size. It's a reduced drawing that is similar to the actual place that you are. Notice it says a word that we've been talking about. The ratio of the distance in the drawing to the corresponding actual distance. These are going to make a proportion. Again, pause here if you're going to need more time to write. So what does that look like? In this situation, it says a ½ inch on the map is worth 10 miles in real life. Here is my ratio. And remember, ratios could have this colon. It could have the word 2. Or we could write it in the form of a fraction, which is actually most people's preference to solve. ½ inch to 10 miles. So every ½ inch on the map is worth 10 miles in real life. So then, how much on the map is 35 miles? If we back up 2 days, our labels have to be the same. So I had to put 35 on the bottom with miles. How much on the map? A lot of times, if you don't know, that's a good spot for a variable. You can pick an A if your name is Abby, whatever you want. Then, my two favorite strategies, scale factor, or if no scale factor, cross product, which means ½ times 35 equals 10 times x. If you're panicking because of the fraction, you can make them both fractions and multiply straight across. Or you can use the decimal . If you would like a shortcut for dividing by 10, and there are no zeros. If there are no zeros, your shortcut is go left once. That's the shortcut for dividing by 10. So on the map, 35 miles would be 1.75 inches. 0.75 is like 1 3/4 inches. Just depends on your preference. Do you like 0.75 or do you like 3/4? Same thing. If you know someone who works on any sort of houses, construction, plumbing, electrical, drywalling, carpet, flooring, painting, all of those people use a scale drawing, which you're looking at right now, which is a reduced picture of the actual house. They all use it. Realtors, if you know a realtor, they know how to use these scale drawings really well, so that when they show someone the actual house, they know how it compares to the map on their paper. So there's lots and lots of professions that are using this scale drawing idea. New one. This time our first ratio is 1 inch, 5 miles. Labels have to match. I see a scale factor in this one. How do I get from 1 to 5.5? I times it by 5.5. Again, make sure I'm getting a bigger answer. 1 got bigger to 5, so 5 gets bigger to 27.5. Next one is 12 inches. Go ahead, give it a try. Yesterday there wasn't a ton of scale factor. There was a lot of cross product. Today I think you can find a lot of scale factor, which is good. New ratio, 4 inches, 25 miles. Match the labels. I'm running out of room. Oh yeah, that was right. I wasn't quite sure. 25 miles, 5.5 inches. How many miles? Pause and go. Now I have to divide by 4. Whew, that was a messy one. 34.375 miles. Do you know what 0.375 is equal to? 3/8. Can you drive 3/8 of a mile? Of course you can. 2 left. 4 inches, 25 miles. Where am I getting this from? Half an inch. Or if you would prefer, (25 times 0.5 equals 4x). Do you know half of 25? Oops. Why'd I put a 0? I don't know. .125. Do you know what 0.125 is like? 1/8. Last one. 4 inches, 25 miles, 3 inches, 25 times 3. Ooh! I love when they're fast like that. Divide by 4. .75. Do you know what 18.75 is like? 18 3/4. You are ready to go.